Hi, I'm Lippy. Welcome to this guided meditation for self love, using your fingers as a tool. Find a comfortable seated position with your spine straight and your hands resting on your lap, palms facing up. Close your eyes and take a deep, delicious breath in, exhaling slowly. Take a deep, delicious breath in, exhaling slowly. So, as you continue to breathe gently, let your awareness settle within. To begin, let's gather the energy of love in our hands. So, I want every one of you to rub your hands together gently, bringing the warmth and love building between your palms. Now, with this energy of love, let's use the pads of our whole fingers to send love to different parts of our body. Let's start. Begin with your left fingers and gently touch your forehead with the pad of your fingers, saying, I send love to my mind. Gently move to your heart and say, I send love to my heart. Continue this process for each part of your body. Now moving your fingers to your throat, saying, I send love to my voice. Touch your solar plex with your fingers and say, I send love to my power center. Now touch your abdomen and say, I send love to my core. Now let your fingers move to your face, tracing the outline of your features with gentle touches. Send love to your eyes, cheeks, and lips, saying, I send love to my face, the mirror of my soul. Move your fingers to your jaw, feeling the tension melt away as you send love and release, saying, I send love to my jaw, allowing it to relax. Continue down to your legs, touching your thighs, knees, calves, saying, I send love to my legs, the foundation of my journey. Finally, let your fingers reach your feet, touching each toe and the soles of your feet, saying, I send love to my feet, grounding and supporting me. Take a deep breath in, exhale slowly. Take a deep, delicious breath in and exhale slowly, feeling the warmth and comfort of self-love flowing through your fingers and radiating to every cell in your body. Now, get comfortable and let's add the sound of hum to amplify the energy of self-love. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, softly hum the sound. Feel the vibration resonating throughout your body, infusing each part with love and acceptance. Once again, feel the vibration resonating throughout your body. Continue humming softly, allowing the sound to harmonize with your intention of self-love. Feel the energy expanding and enveloping you in a warm embrace. Take one final deep breath in, and as you exhale slowly, release the hum. And with a smile on your face, slowly open your eyes. Now take a moment to appreciate the love and compassion you have cultivated within yourself during this meditation. You can move your full hands throughout your full body, starting from your toes towards your legs, your thighs, your hips, your abdomen, your stomach, your chest, your shoulder, your neck, your face, your forehead, and your head. Remember, you are a deserving and lovable being. By practicing this meditation, you have taken a beautiful step towards nurturing your relationship with yourself. Feel free to enjoy your self-love meditation.